So just like Appens, a company that is known to be doing data annotation and image labeling type of jobs, has a sister website that is called CrowdGen, where you can find all these type of jobs, whether AI, image labeling, and all those kind of jobs that you can do remotely from home. I have found another website that is hidden that you can find this job, and the best part is this website has a sister website that is newly created and is massively hiring right now. Whether you're from the US, from South Africa, Nigeria, Philippines, anywhere you're from, as long as you have a language you speak, then you can find a job there on this platform. The best part about this platform is that whether you have experience or you don't have any experience, you are welcome to apply. And because it is new and they are massively recruiting, you stand a better chance of being part of this growing company so that you can get AI training jobs and you can get started immediately. Now the best part is all you need to have is your smartphone, an internet connection, or a laptop to be able to get started doing this job. So in this video I'm going to share with you this hidden website that I just discovered and all you need to get started, including how to apply to this website so that you can stand a better chance of getting on board, and regardless of your location you can actually do this from the comfort of your home. So but before we get into this proper, if you're seeing this channel for the first time, you're welcome. On this channel we talk about AI jobs, we talk about remote work from home jobs, we talk about ways you can make money from the comfort of your home. So if it's something you're interested in, consider joining us to be a part of our growing community by liking this video, subscribing to our channel to be a part of our community. So this website we want to talk about is an AI focused company backed by Invisible Technologies. What they do is work on building and training AI systems, the kinds that power chatbots, language AIs, recommendation engines, speech recognition, and many more. As AI becomes bigger and more used around the world, companies like these need a lot of real humans to help teach the AI what is right, what is wrong, what makes sense, what sounds natural. And this is because AI does not just learn by itself. It will need a human hand to train it to be able to know what to do, recognize pattern, and be able to work independently in the future. So being an AI data trainer may sound fancy, but as a beginner, here is basically what you're expected to be doing. You can do things like reviewing sample sentences, chat logs, or tests to tell AI whether it's responded correctly or not. Another thing you can do is judging whether an AI answer makes sense or relevant or is appropriate. Another task you can be doing is choosing or ranking possible answers or correcting AI generated outputs. Another one is sometimes adding annotation, metadata, feedback, human judgment that can help AI discern what is right from what is wrong. So those are basically what you're going to be doing. In most cases, you may be trained before you start doing this job, so you don't need to worry about anything. So the platform we're talking about today is Meridial. This is powered by Invisible Technologies, which is the mother website that houses this Meridian as a daughter website. So if you come to the open job, or if you come to the open project section, you can see that they have a lot of openings for different things, whether you're a data scientist or Swedish language specialist or a registered nurse, medical doctor, whatever it is you have, you can stand a chance of being a part of this activity by helping to train AI. And as you can see, some of the jobs are remote, like worldwide, wherever you are. And the best part is the language that is needed is English. So as long as you can read and write in English, then you can do these jobs. So for the interest of this video, we're going to be checking out this ML engineer specialist. So see the jobs that they have available. This is for people that can train large language models like ChatGPT or Gemini or those kind of AI tools. So you can go through it and see if it's something you are interested in and if you're qualified. For this particular job, you're going to be earning $30 to $50 per hour. And this one is in the United States, although it is remote, so wherever you are, but the job is domiciled in the United States. So to view more jobs and to filter jobs to suit what you're looking for as someone who wants to train AI, you're going to come here where it says back to jobs. You're going to click on it, and then you can filter the job based on search, your department, or your language proficiency. That is the language you speak. So you can see there are lots of jobs here you can check out. You can also be specific about being a freelance AI trainer, like to know that the jobs you're going to be doing is freelance. You can see there are different locations. You can see the Philippines, you can see Colombia, you can see Jamaica, you can see a lot of countries here, Canada, and a lot of other countries. So to be specific about your own country and to know if there is job available for you, as you can see, they have 765 jobs here available. So you're going to go here where it says language proficiency and click this drop down arrow, or you can type in your language here. So let's type in Igbo language for Nigeria. If you click on it, you're going to see here that it says language and linguistics. So you see there's Igbo language specialist freelance AI training job here. So you click on it, Then you go through what the job entails. So you must be fluent in Igbo and you'll be able to read and understand. You have to demonstrate experience in translation, linguistics, language teaching, and all this kind of stuff. Editing as well. You have to be detailed with knowing the culture. So those are the things you're expected to know on here. And they pay from the ranges of $8 to $65 per hour to be able to do this job. That is if it's something you're interested in. So you can see that it's a contract-based job and it is remote, and the level is mid-senior. So for you to apply for this job, you're going to fill out this form: your name, your last name, your email address, then your country and the phone number. Then you attach your CV here. So you must have your CV saved in your laptop to be able to access them. This drop down arrow, you'll find your country, or you can type in the country here, and then you select your country here and add your phone number. So here is your education. For most people in most African countries, even in Nigeria, you might not really find your university in the drop down arrow. So you can look for any university in your country that is represented in that place and add, or you can type in your own university and leave it as that, because if you check here, the university or the school is not really much of a relevant information here, as you can see, because the ones that are very relevant has this red asterisk attached to it. So you can fill in your discipline and this other information. So here you can add another qualification. Maybe if you have a master's degree or any other degree, you can add here, then you can add it. So you can see that there are some questions you have to answer here. What country are you currently a resident of? Then you can answer it using the options from the drop down arrow. So you know that the ones that have red asterisks are the ones that are very, very relevant for you to answer. So you can answer all these questions. And then when it comes to how much you're expected to be paid, remember that in the job description, they stated the range of $8 to $65 per hour. So you should not exceed $65 when you are adding how much you feel you should be paid. And you should not go beyond it so you don't look desperate or worthless with your application. So you have that in mind as well. So you fill out this place, and of course you're expected to put in your LinkedIn profile URL. So you must have a LinkedIn profile to be able to apply. And then you acknowledge their policy here by clicking this yes sign. So once you're done, you submit your application, and you're going to receive an email telling you that they acknowledged or they received your application. So that is how you're going to apply to this role. So you have to make sure that you're qualified for the role or for the job to be able to get started. If you're looking for a way to make your job application fast, or you want to have your resume and cover letter tailored to each job role that you want to apply to, I've prepared a 12-in-1 job application bundle that can help you, have a tailored job application by customizing your resume, your cover letter to suit each job role that you see, and it will help you apply fast. So if you're interested, you can grab one with the link in the description of this video. So I thought to share this opportunity with you because it is ongoing, and the earlier you make your application, the better you can stand a better chance of being part of this massive recruitment process they are doing right now. And if you're looking for ways to do other remote jobs, do well to check out this video showing on your screen. Up next, in the next video, I'm going to be sharing with you data entry job opportunities that I found right now that are hiring, so that you too can be a part of it, so that you can apply as fast as possible, so you can find something you can do for yourself. If you found value in this video, please don't fail to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.